Spirobranchus giganteus, commonly known as the Christmas tree worm, is a polychaete worm belonging to the family Serpulidae. The Spirobranchus giganteus lives in coral reefs from the Caribbean to the Indo-Pacific. Spirobranchus essentially translates to spiralbranchia, referring to the worm's unique crown. Both its common and Latin names refer to the two chromatically hued spiral structures. The multicolored spirals are highly derived structures for feeding and respiration. Spirobranchus giganteus has a tubular segmented body of an approximate length of 1.5 inches covered with chaetae, small appendages that aid the worm's mobility. Because it does not move outside its tube, this worm does not have any specialized appendages for movement or swimming. The worm's most distinct features are two crowns shaped like Christmas trees. These are highly modified prostomial palpi, which are specialized mouth appendages. Each spiral is composed of feather-like tentacles called radioles, which are heavily ciliate and cause any prey trapped in them to be transported to the worm's mouth. While they are primarily feeding structures, Spirobranchus giganteus also uses its radioles for respiration, hence, the structures commonly are called gills. As an annelid, Spirobranchus giganteus possesses a complete digestive system and has a well-developed closed circulatory system. Like other annelids, these worms possess well-developed nervous systems with a central brain and many supporting ganglia, including pedal ganglia, unique to the polychaete. Spirobranchus giganteus has a faster mitochondrial sequence evolution than other annelids. Spirobranchus giganteus excretes with fully developed nephridia. There are both male and female Christmas tree worms. They reproduce by casting their eggs and sperm into the water. They simply shed their gametes straight into the water where the eggs and spermatozoa become part of the zooplankton to be carried by the currents. The eggs are fertilized in the water, then develop into larvae that settle on coral heads and then burrow into the coral to form their burrows. As sedentary inhabitants of coral reefs, Christmas tree worms feed primarily by filter feeding. They use their brightly colored radioles to filter microorganisms from the water, which are then deposited straight into the worm's digestive tract. The relationship between Spirobranchus giganteus and its host corals is still poorly understood, however the mortality of the coral tissue is enhanced when the worm's operculum hosts filamentousalgae. While the worm itself has no commercial fishery importance, it is of interest to marine aquarists and divers. The variously colored worm crowns make extremely popular underwater photographic subjects for sport divers. As the species is widespread and relatively common, no conservation efforts focus on this species.